Welcome to Kutapa Media INC, where we give you updated breaking news and current affairs in and around Zimbabwe. So today, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to bring to you dziri kupisa muma streets social media. So pama minutes apfuura ayo, as I am recording like now, tiri kuona hombe dzavhurwa. But anyway, before I open hombe dzavhurwa, let me encourage you all to keep on subscribing, and I appreciate all those who have already subscribed. Please keep subscribing, watch our series to the end, watch all the news to the end. We are yet to bring you more entertaining news, more series, and also more music from our well-signed artists. So today ndati guys tangoremerwa nechichiri kupisa. So it happens like today I was moving around the streets of social media, ndatarisawo ndikaona kuti mukomana anonzi VOLTZ akareleasa masongs ake mazuva apfuurayo. It shows kuti VOLTZ masongs ake ari kupisa mumastreets atisombodawo nyemba. So the music is rocking very nice, and it seems that it has overshadowed those songs which were released in the past, like Nawanadem. Now currently we cannot continue to hear Nawanadem because pane chimwe chareleaswa nemukomana VOLTZ. So basically mujaya ari kuratidza iye kuti ari kupisa achiimba nemudzimai wake Kimberly Richard. I'm sure kuti tikatarisa kuti masongs ake epaalbum iri kunzi Risky Life, kana uchiona kuti zvechokwadi ari kurira, you can see kuti he uploaded most of these songs yesterday. So I'm seeing kuti pane around like the one yakanzi Risky Life interlude, it is getting 56k. Then there is VOLTZ Sorry Boss, which is also on around 56,000 in a day. Kune artistika tinenge chiti this one is good. Kune artisti vanhu wavari kutarisira pasi. The reason why you kuita kuti VOLTZ atarisirwe pasi, it's because VOLTZ we appreciate anogona, anoziva chibaba. But the challenge yazoitika pana VOLTZ now, it's because currently VOLTZ anetsana nemaartist akawanda. Saka with me here pane iyi yakanzi VOLTZ Banga, yaakaficha na Kimberly Richard. Iyi ndo yandiri kuona futi yanyanyopisa mastreets. Then there is also another song Baba Vasina Basa, which is also having more views, like 60k views. So then there is this one again in a 98k views, which is secondary school song yoyo. I have not yet listened to all these songs, but I've just sampled through, and I'm feeling kuti aiwa chiri kupisa chibaba. And you can check kuti ndotokuda also with Kimberly Richard, it's getting more attention also, as it is on 177,000 views. But nyaya iripo panapa nhasi yandawira panapa ndeye yemukomana baba Harare, uyo aposta pasocial media pake achiti ndateerera album rese ndashaya kana one track ringapedza macheso ini. Anyway, good night Jit family, zvimatama zvisati zvamuka vataimanamata. So basically tiri kuti isusu baba Harare vari kuratidza kuti ivo vadhisa mukomana VOLTZ vachitaura kuti hapana hit song. But guys, inini maonero angu, mirai ndikudze, I'm a fan of music. I love Zim music. I also listen to different types of music like rap. I listen also to reggae. I listen to dancehall. I also listen to sungura, everything. Tototeerera kusvika kuna dembo vekumashure. I listen even ana JC John Shibadura. I listen. Nana Freeman, all these guys, I listen to them. I just appreciate the Zimbabwean talent. But the challenge is, pane vamwe vari kuzoita zvavari kuita zvavo. Maybe it's because of gaining popularity and fame, but as it stands, VOLTZ tried his best on this album. Ndiri kuona even art maway akarohwa nawo art iri kairi risingori art renzara nzara, pakarohwa art apa guys. Let's appreciate all these songs. Let's appreciate also paari kuintroduce mamwe maartist akaita sana K-Flow. Some of us, we never know about these guys and K-Flow, but we are now getting to know them through VOLTZ. So let us appreciate art iri kurohwa nemukomana. Although vanhu vazhinji I know kuti havamufarire, but basically he is putting much effort into it. So ndo nyaya yanga ndinayo panapa nhasi, kungoti maZimbabweans, let's learn to appreciate the art of others. But iwo VOLTZ zvaachifanira kuitawo, ngaachiregerawo kutuka madhara ake ka, like kutuka ana big man, hanani sezvaakaita mazuva apera, everyone. And also it seems as if iye zvake pache zvake pakaipa haatogona kudzikama mumwe munhu uyawe, but mofanira kungomuunderstandawo semusic. Kahondo ikakoko kanonakidza, kanoita kuti vanhu muve artistic zvichingosiyana siyana. But basically I'm appreciating it. Zvehondo dzavo basically hazvina hazvo basa nesu stereki, but we keep on appreciating the best talent in our country. We also keep on appreciating the efforts they are putting. So music wise, this is what I do here for you today. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to sign out, but before I sign out, I want to give you an update. We are shooting a number of series and we are expecting the series to be released very soon. We hope that our editors will get busy from now. So please, for you to get all these series, keep in touch, and also keep on subscribing to this YouTube channel. Keep on sharing, also like and commenting. Your comments, whether positive or negative, we appreciate them. So thank you very much. For Kutapa Media IMC, I am about to leave you and to sign out. So as I sign out, please, I also beg you to subscribe, like and comment all our videos. Please share them so that we can reach the audience which you deserve. Kutapa Media